Shortage of strong winds and indeed heavy rainfall this weekend, initially in the west later on tonight and through tomorrow, then moving into central parts, and that'll leave many eastern areas actually basically dry for quite a long time to come. But the strong winds will move in across Ireland, through the southwest of England, through West Wales later on tonight, and indeed through much of the day on Saturday as well, pushing up across much of Scotland too, with severe gales perhaps around the Western Highlands. And that means to say winds gusting up to 50 or 60 miles an hour in some places during the next 24 hours. Now, we see some heavy showers across the country today, but they are fading away pretty rapidly now as this next system begins to move in from the Atlantic. Now, this deepening low is going to be quite significant and stay with us right the way through the next 2 or 3 days. You can see all the isobars packed in there across the country, indicative of the strength of the winds, and indeed the fronts indicate some fairly lengthy spells of rain too. Well, that rain band will be into many western areas before the night's out. To begin with tomorrow, quite bright across much of Scotland, down through northern England, through the Midlands, East Anglia and the southeast. Good spells of sunshine to begin the day. But the wind and the rain out in the west will be very persistent and gradually, very slowly, will start to move further east across the country as the day goes on. I think many northeastern parts of Scotland, though, places to the east of the Pennines, the extreme eastern part of England too, maybe the East Midlands actually, for the most part, will stay dry all day. But this rain band will be quite heavy at times. Now, eventually through the afternoon, brighter, squally weather will move in again across Northern Ireland and the far southwest of England. Now, it is going to be a breezy day, obviously, but temperatures of 21 degrees on the eastern side of England there will be quite respectable. Whether it'll feel all that warm in the west in all that rain is a moot point. That's how things are looking on Sunday then, with that rain band slowly moving across much of Scotland down through the spine of the country. There'll be brighter, showery weather in the west, and again the extreme eastern side of England, for the most part, will still be dry and bright with a little bit of sunshine. But that rain band in the middle will be quite persistent. There is a risk of flooding here and there. That's it from me. Good night.